took that trip by the way, cause a ball. That two don't make bad shit, they gave us some stars. I'm still doing this shit, I don't get in the wall. All the new whips coming with it, push stars. I don't fear shit, but I rock fear to God. Tip the spaceship and I landed on Mars. Oh, easy that way, need a boy, yeah. Bitch, when you make it on Forbes, yeah. When they start checking the score, yeah, you can live with no one. Spare the moment, but it's war if you want it. Get too much of this money, buy too many guns, they treat me like a god. Too many kids, exotic cars. Too many freaks, I've been fucking the farm. You niggas spotted, I must be airborne. Pay you no money, they gon' pay me more. Hot in the coupe, that's the test of the charge. I keep it straight cause I really be knowing. I can imagine my family poor, but I can see my mama in Dior. We walk inside and they closing the store. Niggas ain't dripping like under the board. You get up in this.
Alright, y'all, man, I'm on to the next car meet. Another video. About to head to another car meet, bro. But this time I'm gonna be solo dolo. And yeah, we gonna see what it's hitting for, man. Got a little rain going on right now. My car a little wet. But yeah, we're gonna see what this night consists of. We're gonna see what this night consists of right here. I was gonna go wash my car, but I don't even think it's worth it. I don't even think it's worth it to even go wash it, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Even though I'm probably still just gonna go running through the car wash anyway. I ain't tripping, I don't care. But I just need to use it for the vacuum. But yeah, man, I'm on my way to another one real quick. Keep y'all updated, man. I'm about to say, man, I don't even know what happened, man. But hopefully, everything good. Like, man, this is a little update. Let me take this off. Yeah, I'm out here, man. I'm solo dolo. I made a little stop at Popeyes right now, but they closed the lobby. So I'm about to hop in the car and go through the drive-thru, but I'm sitting up here because I'm trying to contemplate if I really want Popeyes, man. Like, Popeyes straight, but I don't even know, man. I've been eating McDonald's fucking every day I've been going to McDonald's. And Popeyes straight. But I don't know if I want that because I already had chicken today. Man. That's the only thing I don't like about driving out here by myself, bro. I be out here and I be clueless on what I want to do. I be totally clueless, bro. But man, tonight should be a fun-filled. It should be a fun-filled and joyful night. Like, I should get some decent content. I should get some good footage. Cause this meet that I'm going to, they be doing cruises, so we don't just be sitting in a parking lot. Like, they actually, we drive and stuff. So I'm gonna do one cruise, and then after that, I'm gonna come back home. Cause it's Sunday night, man. I pretty much was already up today doing stuff, so I'm low key kind of tired. I'm running on E right now. Like, I'm not talking about gas. I'm talking about myself. Cause y'all know my car. I'm always on E. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I'm on full right now. I got 337 miles to E. Got 330. My boy Jimmy over here. For y'all that don't know, my boy Jimmy been thugging with me for about a year. We about a year in the game, ain't that right? My boy Jimmy, man, we be thugging, man. I don't be by myself. I be feeling like I got somebody with me for real. My nigga Jimmy be over there. We be chilling, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna run up in Popeyes. Well, not run in Popeyes, but run through the little drive-thru. I'm gonna run through the drive-thru. Probably give me a chicken sandwich. Just a sandwich though. Normally I get the whole thing, but I ain't even gonna lie. I don't even really want Popeyes. It's so many options out here too, but I'm just trying to be somewhere that's centralized where I don't have to be driving all over the city. But yeah, man, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I get to the location, bro. Or if something in between now and then happen, I'll put that on here. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I seen a fucking a ZR1 Corvette. First time seeing one in real life. That bit was live, I ain't gonna lie. I tried to slow down and wait on it, but the little, it had construction going on, so the highway merged. But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all, man. Man, so I just got here. It's dark as hell. You really can't even see me, but I'm about to give y'all a little walk around and show y'all what's out here. People still pulling up. Oh my God, it is dark. And it don't help that I got on all black. But yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera. Man, I'm gonna just let the camera roll. I ain't even much finna talk for real. Man, got that SRT thing right there. Actually, I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on and turn my light on. I had to turn my light on because that's the only way y'all can really see everything. But yeah, I'm finna just be running the camera. They got a problem, say fuck it. Man, they got some press out here though, for real. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Got a scat over there. This shit's smooth though. I like this.
What exhaust that?
That shit is smooth. I need to look into getting me some lights like this for my shit. These right here. I never understood these Subaru motors though. Like they like sideways. That's so clean though. Shit unique, bro. That shit is smooth. Man cave. Somebody going crazy back there. That F-150 thing going on. Got an RX-7 over here. Dang, smooth.
Seems like 15. It's twin turbo.
Somebody popped out in the R8. That bitch is smooth. That's what you want. You got the little SRT. I don't know, but it reflect. Look at this Audi, bro. That shit clean. I fucks with it. That bag. I'm gonna go back over here. Let me see. Gotta check my Marcel right quick. Man, we got some action, man. Motherfucking motorcycle. Boy, rolling. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't doing no type of racing tonight. I ain't doing it.
I wanna see you do better. Fly, I'ma need a propeller. Fly, when it's cold on the wall like a sweater. When I'm high and I'm changing the weather. Only had one time, you can hear my voice. I sing my song, cause my song. Only got one life, you can get rich tight. Let it rain on the rose umbrella. Seats in the road for Ella. BVs in the rose, got dweller. I've been on my mind and got on my grind. And now they got a bandana. Coming inside and going inside. And now her pussy getting water. I wanna see you doing better. All black, they can see me in a ghost. Make it back, all I ever needed was hope. If you can take a fall, can you fall on your folks? You taking care of all, and it's all that she wrote. I gotta be the son, I got to be the one. Nah, I can be the one that call him joke. Can't nobody help it when you call, get revoked. Always been the freshest, I be cleaner than soap. I control the business, I don't need a remote. Got some millions and I'm about to get plenty more. Gonna wanna, I'ma kill him with antidote. It's my persona, baby, and I thought you would know. I let the engine run, I need a bigger line. I be the set that shit on fire like a pole. I ain't the runner run, I got a bigger gun. I caught some slides, so I call me so low. I know some big B's and my cousin a foe. I sting like.
Y'all already know what it is. I had to find them, bro. That shit right there so nice. For y'all that don't know, it's only 501 of these things made. Literally only 501. I wonder what number it is. I'm saying, like, they only made 501 of these though. Like this car right here, the Daytona Wild Body, they only made 501 of them. And I don't know, I think that is a red eye though. I think this is a red eye. That shit's so nice, man. Yeah, I see the red eye. That's crazy, bro. Then the dudes that's driving these things, they like young as fuck. They like 17, 18 years old. I don't know what it is. That shit's so nice though. Real.